Hello guys, how are you? You are speaking to Master. So today I'm going to teach you guys differential equation. We are going to simplify a very simple question which looks complicated but is not complicated. This is for maths for everywhere and also for college N6, N5, N4. You can get this kind of question. So if you need help with mathematics, programming, and then statistics or any module in BSc or in college in engineering, just kindly WhatsApp us at 07233733640, and then you tell us what help do you need and we're gonna help you. So now I'm going to write down in the board the equation that we are going to solve today. So the question says determine d squared y over dx squared, or if ln of square root of x plus y equals to x. So this question, when we look at it, it's an implicit question. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to solve this question. We can solve it in many ways, or you can just start from the beginning. For example, I'm gonna give you all the steps, all the procedures that you can use. If we in the first time we find dy over dx, so our dy over dx of this is going to be 1 over square root, let me just write it properly, square root of x plus 1 d over dx of square root of x plus y, which is equals to 1. Then we can simplify this. When we simplify this one, it's going to give us 1 over 2 in brackets x plus y, and then when we subtract 1 over 2 minus 1, we're going to get minus 1 over 2, and we differentiate what is inside here, which is x, then we are going to get 1 plus dy over dx over, remember everything is over, square root of x plus y, which is equals to 1. So now we have found this. So now we have to just group the like terms here. Remember, here we have the y over the x. So now we can, here is 1 over 1. We can multiply, or is equals to 1. This is our dy over the x, which we have just multiplied. So now if we check something in this scenario that we have done here, we have differentiating this. So this part here that we wrote here for the y over the x is not needed. So we're going to cancel it for now. When we cancel, I'm erasing it. We're going to left with this part. You see this part here now. So when we are left with this part, this is exactly the differentiation of this part. It's just the first differentiation. So now we can do a cross multiple. So when we do a cross multiple, let me erase a small part here so that I can write on top and conclude again. So when we do a cross multiple, this is the same as 1 over 2 in brackets x plus y to the power negative 1 over 2. So instead of writing that, there is a reason why I'm not writing it now, plus 1 plus dy over the x, dy over the x, which is equals to square root. Now we do a cross multiple, square root of x plus y. So I'm gonna erase this part here. Let me erase everything. So when I erase this part here, okay, hope we're gonna get back to the where we ended. Okay, right? So when we erase this part now, this part that we have now, we can write it as is the same as 1 plus dy over dx over 2 in brackets. We can just say square root 2 square root, this is 1 over 2 is gonna be 2 square root of x plus y, which is equals to square root of x plus y. So now we can do also a cross multiple again. When we do a cross multiple, we're gonna get 1 plus dy over dx, which is equals to square root of 2 square root 2 square root of x plus y dot square root of x plus y. Remember, according to mathematics, if the bases are the same, we add the exponent. So these two bases here, they are the same. So because they are the same, when we add the exponents, it's going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is going to be 1. So we can just write, instead of this, we can just write 2x plus 1, x plus y. So now when we have this, now our dy over dx, we take this one the other side, is going to be equals to 2x plus 2y minus 1. So now we have find dy over dx. But the question says we have to demand the squared y over dx squared. So I'm gonna erase this part so that I can have a board to write, because my board is too small. So now I have erased this part. I'm gonna left only dy over dx that we left with. Now when we have dy over dx, d squared y over the x squared is going to be equals to, we differentiate this, is going to be equals to 2 plus 2 dy over dx. Minus 1 is a constant, then it's going to be equals to 0. So now when we have this, which means our dy squared over the x squared is going to be equals to 2 plus 2, where there is dx over dy, we substitute with this, is going to be 2x plus 2y minus 1. Then the answer is going to be 2 plus 4x plus 4y minus 2, which this will cancel with this. Then you're going to remain with 4y, sorry, even you start with 4y is fine, but I just want to write it the way it is here. Going to remain with 4x plus 4y. This is our d squared y divided over the x squared. So we just solve it very simple. Do you see that? So now let's do another method of solving, and we'll see if we can find this. I'm going to erase again. I'm gonna just cancel everything. So the other method that we can use, because we have a square root of x plus y, which is ln x plus y, which is ln, which is equals to ln x square root of x plus y, which is equals to x. So this one we first solve. This is the same as ln in brackets x plus y over 1 over 2 has to x. So ln 1 over 2 is the same as 1 over 2 ln of x plus y, which is equals to x. I haven't started differentiating, I'm just solving it. So now I can multiply the whole equation with 2. Is going to have ln of x plus y equals to 2x. Then now we can divide with e to the power x, or I can just leave it here, then I start working. So if I say dy over dx of this, I want to find dy over dx. Remember, this is an implicit differentiation. Then it's the same as 1 over x plus y. In d over dx of this is going to give us y when differentiate x plus dy over dx, which is equals to 2. So now this is the same as, remember, instead of writing this here, I can write it in terms of, let me just erase here. I can write it in terms of 1 plus dy over dx over x plus y equals to 2. So now I will do the cross multiple. When I do the cross multiple, I'm going to have 1 plus dy over dx, which is equals to 2x multiple of 2x plus 2y. Then when we have this, let me erase some other part here so that I can be able to have space to write. So when I erase the upper part, now we're gonna have our dy over dx equals to 2x plus 2y minus 1. This one is going to go the other side. So now when I have this, I want to find my dy squared, d squared y over dx squared. Then I will differentiate this equation. Then it's going to be 2 plus 2 dy over dx. When you differentiate y, it becomes dy over dx. Then now I will substitute where dy over dx equals to. Remember, our dy over dx equals to 2x plus 2y minus 1. When we take this one this side, let me just erase it and write it this side. It's going to be minus 1. So now when we substitute back, we're going to be 2 plus 2 in brackets 2x plus 2y minus 1. Then let me erase this part. Then this is going to be equals to 2 plus 4x plus 4y minus 2. Then the final answer for d squared y over dx squared, dx squared is going to be, this will cancel with this one, is going to be 4x plus 4y. The same way we've gotten that answer. So guys, you have seen how I solve this question, and if you need help with mathematics, WhatsApp me at WhatsApp me at 07233733640. I help with mathematics, and please kindly share with your friends and family mates. I help with mathematics, and I help also with other modules, all university and college modules for BSc, and I also help with N1 until N6, and also a diploma. So I also help with programming. With programming, I help is a C++, Java, Python, HTML, and CSS. And then with automation for those who are studying engineering, I help with programming for PLC using a Siemens and codesys. So if you need help, just WhatsApp me, especially those who are in electrical engineering also and automation. Feel free to WhatsApp me and I will help you with all what you need. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.